Welcome back. So I've been installing some new software and I wanted to start working on the FFmpeg program in C, but I don't have any compilers installed by default. I don't have CC, I don't have GCC, I don't have Clang. So I want to make a list of packages I want to install. So I want to install GCC, Clang, Make, CMake. Might as well install VS Code. I want to play with some fonts, so I'll install FontForge and I'll install Docker. When I was in a live stream with Shawn Powers, he reminded me that a lot of these are built into the Build Essential package. So let's go take a look at that. So we'll do apt show build essential instead of essentials. And this is a description of there, but what I'm really looking for is the dependencies. So libc6, libcdev, gcc, g++, make, and package development. So that's a good portion of what we need there. So let's go ahead and install that. And I need to remember to do this as sudo because I'm not logged in as root. And I'll do the other packages separately because I don't know if there'll be any cross issues. So let's install this one first. And these are the packages that are being installed. So this is what happens when I'm recording while trying to do things. I did not read the screen. These are suggested programs, not the ones that are being installed with this command. The ones that are being installed with this command are the ones that I listed earlier as dependency. Yeah, I found that out after I finished recording the video. Going to need download of 64 megabytes. It's going to need 252 and I have 284 available, and we'll get into some issues in a later video with that. So hit continue. So now GCC is installed, Clang is not, CC is, I think, as a alias to GCC, Make is installed, CMake is not, so we need to install that. I think VS Code can be retrieved from the app repository. What about app show FontForge? Okay, so we can go ahead and install that. Docker Compose, Docker Clean. So we're installing CMake, FontForge, and Docker command line interface. 26 megs, 100 megs installed. Once it's installed, let's go. So CMake is there, FontForge is there, Docker is there, and VS Code is not in the app repository like I thought. So I'll install that separately and we'll go ahead and start doing some programming. Thank you for watching this video. You have a great day.